Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella, and today I'm gonna make a spicy cold chewy noodle. In Korean, it is called jjolmyeon, meaning that it is chewy. This food is accidentally invented when machines of naengmyeon noodles are out of order. And made a thick noodle instead of thin one. If you go to Korea and go to a place where you can buy kimbap, like Kimbap Cheongguk or Kimgane, you'll probably find this food. Since these noodles are cold, most Koreans usually take this food in spring or summer. It also includes a lot of vegetables, so it is a good meal for vegetarian. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need.
Noodles, cabbage, bean sprout, cucumber, carrot, egg. First, cut down the both edge of carrot and peel out its skin. Then I'll use a mandolin to slice the carrot, for it is too hard to cut. Slice it and shred it into thin slices. Also, do the same thing with the cucumber. Then remove the root of cabbage and slice them into thin pieces. Cut it like you're scratching the surface of cabbage. Boil the water and put a handful amount of bean sprouts. Boil them about 5 minutes. Check to see if the bean sprouts are getting transparent. If it is done, wash them with a running water. Then let's make a boiled egg. Put eggs in a boiled water and boil them about 8 minutes. If it is done, put them in a cold water for 10 minutes and remove the egg skin using hands. Now, all the vegetables and eggs are ready. Let's boil the noodle. The noodles of jollian are so stick to each other, so you need to separate them using hands. Then boil them about 5 minutes until the noodles get transparent. If they're done, wash them with running water and flip them using hands. If the noodles are ready, then it is time to set them on a dish. Put all the shredded vegetable in a dish in a circle and place the noodle in the middle. A vegetable around it makes it so colorful. Then mix them using chopsticks. Wow, vegetable inside is so crunchy and noodles are so chewy. Try this at your home and share this with your family and friends.
So did you like this video? Then please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.